If you have a Miele vacuum cleaner, there are a few different filter options for you, and today I'm going to quickly explain which one is which so you get the best filter for your needs. Firstly, inside the vacuum cleaner you actually have the pre-motor filter, which is just like a pad that goes before the motor, so if any dust escapes the bag, that then catches it before it goes into the motor. It's important to keep this clean and change it regularly because it extends the life of your vacuum cleaner and also keeps your suction up. The first of the three options for the post-motor filter that we're going to look at is the active AirClean filter. This is essentially just a pad filter. It comes as part of your bag set when you buy it, and you just put it inside this cage and it fits on top, and it doesn't do a bad job of cleaning the air. The second option we're going to look at is this odor control filter. Now this is a charcoal filter, so it's got little charcoal beads inside and it effectively absorbs the smells that are leaving your vacuum cleaner. So this is really good if you have pets and stuff like that. I'll put a link to a compatible one in the description. Now this just replaces the cage and fits in like so. Likewise, this third and final option also replaces the cage. This is the HEPA filter. It's designed to pick up microscopic dust which is re-entering the room, so if you've got dust allergies, this is a choice for you. Again, if you're wanting to buy one, I'll put the compatible filters that I sell in the description. And there we have it, all three filters explained. And now remember that the pad one comes as part of your bag set and it fits inside this cage. If your vacuum cleaner hasn't got this cage, it may well be that it came with one of these upgrades from factory as standard. I hope this video has helped you. Please look at this next video that YouTube has chosen especially for you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You never know when you may need my help again.